Welcome to the second lecture of Electrical Materials and Wiring Practice. In this lecture, we are going to discuss different accessories used in the electrical wiring. There are mainly four accessories used in the electrical wiring. First one is electrical gloves, then electrical safety boots, goggles and rubber mats. Electrical gloves can protect the worker when the worker is working on the live circuit. The gloves of every employee must be sized. Gloves should be tested before its first use and after every 6 months. According to different voltage levels, the color of gloves can be decided. For example, for beige color, the maximum voltage of AC or DC system is 500 or 750 volts. For red color, it is 1000 to 1500, like that. The second accessory is safety boots. Whenever the person working in an industrial site, the safety boots are necessary. These boots protect the foot against the skin disease, cuts, punctures, burns, fractures, electricity or electrical shocks, slipping, chemicals from molten metal and wetness. The third exercise used is safety goggles. We have seen these types of goggles whenever person is working with electrical welding. These types of goggles surrounds the eye area and provide the protection against the spark, liquids, vapors, powders, dust and mist. These goggles are useful for electrical weldings, arc furnace and anyone having a chance of getting exposed with the short circuit. The fourth accessory used is safety rubber mats. These rubber mats are used where there is a possibility of electrical shock. According to different voltage levels, the color of this mat are decided. For example, for 1000 volt, red color mat is used. For 7500 volt, white colored mat is used. The next point is MCB. MCB means miniature circuit breaker. The MCB looks like this. As the name suggests, it is circuit breaker, means it is a protective device. Whenever there is a occurrence of fault, the MCB operates automatically and breaks the faulty circuit from the system. As MCB is a electromechanical device, means it has electrical as well as mechanical component. We give the signal to the circuit breaker as a electrical, and whenever there is occurrence of fault, the circuit breaker is mechanically. According to the value of fault current, the rating of these types of MCB is decided. It operates when the current reaches to the predetermined value and disconnect the faulty part from the system to reduce the further loss in the system. MCB is therefore replaced by the fuses and can be installed in consumer's distribution board or panel. The main advantage of MCB is it is more accurate, and whenever the overload occurs, it provides the protection to the system. The MCB operates on 5% to 20% of excessive overload. There are mainly two operations of MCB. First one is thermal operation and second is hammer operation. In thermal protection, the bimetallic strip is used. Whenever the fault current increases, the heat is generated in this strip and the circuit breaker operates. And in hammer type of protection, it assists the magnetic protection or magnetic operation of plunger, solenoid and trip lever. Protective device is ELCB. ELCB means earth leakage circuit breaker. We have seen MCB, that is miniature circuit breaker. This circuit breaker is used for overload protection and short circuit protection. If any person is working with live devices or live network, if there is a small amount of fault current flowing through it, then Our body can conduct this small amount of fault current. Due to this will cause electrical shock, or sometimes it will may be caused for electrical fire. Sometimes even may cause death. To avoid these types of dangerous electrical conditions, we used ELCB. ELCB are protective devices to provide the protection against ground fault or improper insulation failure. This is basic diagram of ELCB. The electrical load is connected through the relay, and one terminal of relay is connected to the electrical load and another is connected to the ground. The supply is from phase and neutral. In normal operating condition, as the arrows show here, the phase current is provided and the neutral current is going out. So the magnitude of phase current and line current is equal, and there is no operation of this relay coil. Whenever the fault occurs or there is insulation failure, the phase current and line current are different. So there is a difference between the voltage, and this different voltage is measured by this relay coil, and the relay will send the signal to the circuit breaker, and this will protect the human being from the electrical shock. The next type of protective device is RCB. RCB means residual current breaker. RCB works on the assumption that the current going to the electronic circuit or electronic devices must be come out from the neutral wire. If there is no other way for current flow, then the RCB measures the current going inside the load equipment and coming out from the load equipment. If both currents are same, then there will be no problem, and this condition is normal functionality of the equipment. This device is also called as RCCB, means residual current circuit breaker. Under normal operating condition, the phase current is, let's say, 5 ampere. This 5 ampere current is flowing through the surge coil, through the load and toroidal iron core and neutral. So the magnitude of the fault current is 0 in this case, because of the incoming current is 5 ampere and outgoing is also 5 ampere. So there is no operation of trip coil here. If there is a fault occurs at the load side, then if the current through the phase is 5 ampere and this will comes through the surge coil and through the load, the 5 ampere current, out of 5 ampere 3 ampere current goes to the leakage and 2 ampere will flow continue through the toroidal iron core and neutral. So there is a difference between phase and neutral current, that is 5 ampere we send the current and there is a leakage of 3 ampere. So the difference between two currents is 2 ampere. Therefore the trip coil operates and this will send the signal to the circuit breaker.